something that I wanted to do, like make a small recap. I'm gonna try about what happened, but about Cicada, you can englobe it in this. It's a group of people, not directly associated, that make a puzzle. You know, each one of us has different. You know, each one of us has different things they do in life.
So what does this video imply? That Cappy is alive. We are aware that this is government operation. 0 is the number. You have heard Lestat confess to being involved in this Cicada operation, which is military government operation. The way these shield operations work is throwing in for and against within the Cicada lab. The evidence of their shilling is within their presentations. They still have pro and against videos on their channels. They cannot give up this LARP. Now, if one understands these government operations, well, what happens when they claim one has passed over? It can only mean live action government role play, because these are sick, twisted fantasies by military. 0 will always be the number.
Why is Thomas involved if he doesn't have any apparent skill at all? And the other one, why does everybody leave? Why are the other 2 founders dead? One of them is in Vienna of supposedly natural cause, and the other one is Murdoch, that is also in that died in a really shadowy ways. But the current
See what I mean? They keep pushing and pushing. They cannot give up the multiple LARPs that their masters hand to them. 0 is the number. The face of a government operative